If your Epson printer suddenly prints blank pages and no ink comes out, most of the time it can be fixed in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll show you the exact power cleaning method that works, especially for Epson printers without an LCD screen. Open your document and click Print. Before printing, open Printer Properties. Go to the Maintenance tab. If you don't see the Maintenance tab, I recommend installing the official driver for your printer model instead of using the default Windows driver. Click Power Ink Flushing or Power Cleaning, depending on your printer model. Then select Start to begin the cleaning process. Wait until the process is complete. This usually takes about 10 minutes. If the first power cleaning does not improve the print results, wait up to 12 hours before running it again. After the process finishes, let the printer rest for about 5 minutes. Then try printing again. If there is still no improvement, leave the printer unused for around 12 hours and then try printing once more. I hope this helps. Have a great day and happy printing.